Make money with copy trading. Why Bingx is your best choice. Yo, what's up guys? This is Ryan, and today I'm gonna show you how to make some serious cash using an awesome feature called copy trading on the Bingx crypto exchange. Trust me, this is a game changer and you're gonna want to stick around until the end to get the deets on how to sign up using my special referral code. Now, I know what you're thinking, another crypto bro trying to sell me some get-rich-quick scheme. But hear me out, fam. Copy trading is legit, and it's been helping people like me rake in the dough for years. It's basically a way for you to automatically mirror the trades of more experienced traders so you can benefit from their mad skills without having to do all the legwork yourself. And let me tell you, Bingx is the crème de la crème when it comes to copy trading. They've got a massive pool of talented traders to choose from, and their platform is super user-friendly. Plus, they've got a killer mobile app, so you can stay on top of your investments no matter where you are. But that's not all, my dudes. Bingx also offers a ton of other features that make it a no-brainer for crypto investors. They've got low fees, 24/7 customer support, and a ton of different cryptocurrencies to choose from. And get this, they even offer leverage trading, so you can amplify your gains and your losses, but let's not focus on that, am I right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Leverage trading. Isn't that super risky? And you'd be right, my friend. Leverage trading can be a double-edged sword, but if you know what you're doing, it can be a game changer. And that's where copy trading comes in. By mirroring the trades of experienced traders, you can minimize your risk and maximize your profits. But enough about the technical stuff, let's talk about the real reason you're here. Making that sweet, sweet cash. With copy trading on Bingx, the earning potential is through the roof, my dudes. I'm talking passive income, financial freedom, the whole 9 yards. And the best part, it's super easy to get started. All you gotta do is sign up for a Bingx account, deposit some funds, and start copying the trades of your favorite traders. And remember, when you're signing up, make sure to use my special referral code -911. That's right, 911. Trust me, it's gonna hook you up with some extra perks and bonuses that'll help you get a head start on your copy trading journey. So, what are you waiting for, fam? The clock is ticking and the opportunities on Bingx aren't gonna last forever. Head over to their website, sign up using my referral code 911, and start making some serious cash with copy trading. Remember, all the links and contact info you need are right here in the description, so don't sleep on this, my dudes. Let's get that bread.